Student, topic is classification of crystalline solid. It classified into four following types: molecular solids, ionic solids, metallic solids, and covalent or network solid. So first we discuss about a molecular solid. These are crystalline substances in which the constituent particle are molecule. These are subdivided into three groups. First, the non-polar molecular solid, in which constituent particles are atoms like those of noble gases are non-polar molecules. Example: solid helium, solid argon, solid hydrogen, carbon dioxide solid, solid iodine, etc. The atoms or molecules are held by weak dispersion forces or London forces. So student, the characteristics of non-polar molecular solids are: number one, generally soft. Second, low melting point, usually liquid or gaseous state at room temperature and pressure. Third one, non-conductor of electricity due to consist of neutral molecules in solid as well as in dissolved state. Fourth one, volatile. They have low enthalpies of vaporization because of weak intermolecular forces. Student, the second molecular solid type are polar molecular solid. The comprise of molecule of substances formed by polar covalent bond. Example: solid hydrogen chloride, solid sulfur dioxide, solid ammonia, etc. These solids are held together by relatively stronger dipole-dipole forces. The characteristics are: number one, soft and non-conductor of electricity, low melting and boiling points, higher than non-polar solid. Most of these are gases, liquid at room temperature, higher enthalpy of vaporization than those of non-polar molecular solids. Student, the third category of molecular solid known as hydrogen bonded molecular solid. The molecules of such solid contain hydrogen bond between them. Example: solid water, ice. These solids contain hydrogen bond between hydrogen and highly electronegative element. For example, fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen. The characteristics are: first one, generally volatile liquids or soft solid under room temperature and normal pressure conditions. Second, non-conductor of electricity. Third one, melting point and boiling points are generally higher than polar and non-polar molecular solid. Student, the second big category of crystalline solids are known as ionic solids. Consist of positively and negatively charged ion arranged in a regular manner throughout the solid. The ions are held together by strong Coulombic or electrostatic forces. Example: sodium chloride, potassium nitrate, lithium fluoride, sodium sulfate, etc. So student, the characteristics are: very hard and brittle. Second, very high melting point. Third one, poor conductor of electricity and therefore are an insulator in solid state because ions are not free to move. In molten state or when dissolved in water aqueous solution, the ion becomes free to move. They conduct electricity. Fourth one, high enthalpies of vaporization. Fifth, ionic crystals soluble in water, also in other polar solvents. They are insoluble or very slightly soluble in non-polar solvents. Example: benzene, carbon tetrachloride, carbon disulfide. Student, third big category are metallic solids or crystals. Constituent particles are positive ions called carenels immersed in a sea of mobile electrons. Each metal atom contributes one or more electrons towards this sea of mobile electrons. These free mobile electrons are responsible for high electrical and thermal conductivities. The forces present between the metal ions are metallic bonds. The characteristics are: may be hard as well as soft, good conductor of heat and electricity, metallic luster and color in certain cases. Third, malleable and ductile. And fourth one, moderate enthalpies of fusion. Example: nickel, copper alloy. In a display you have seen the conditions of this type of crystalline solid. The kernel means positive charge and sea of electrons of mobile. Student, the fourth and last category of crystalline solids are covalent or network solid or crystal. The constituent particles are atoms which are linked together by a continuous system of covalent bonds throughout the crystal. These networks form a giant three-dimensional structure. These are also known as giant molecule. Example, diamond graphite. Characteristics are: number one, hard; second, extremely high melting points and may even decompose before melting; third one, poor conductor of electricity except graphite are insulators; fourth, high enthalpies of fusion. Another example are silicon carbide, carbonium, quartz, SiO2, boron nitride, NaTG. Figure 1.3 and 1.4, graphite diamond, and due to the pi decolized electrons, sp2 hybridization in hexagonal rings which are free to move. Student, these are made from the NCERT book you have seen. Student, for your learning purpose, I have the differentiate table. You can learn easily because most of the board exam the question are asked. So thank you very much for listening to us.